What's up guys, KSK Royal here. Welcome back to another video on Poco F1. In the last video, I have shown you guys about the new update of MIUI 11 stable. Currently, this update is available in the form of OTA for some users, and for me, I relied on manual installation, which indeed requires a custom recovery. Now, if I try to fetch the OTA update, as you can see, I'm not able to get the OTA of MIUI 11, which is okay. Even if I try to download the package from the link below, and using it to flash via Mi Updater, it will throw an error like this and I'm not able to install this update, blah blah blah. Guess what? It happens guys, since the update has completed the beta test and it is a stable preliminary build, and that's why the Mi Updater enforces it not able to flash it. Anyhow, for those who are not getting a MIUI 11 OTA and can't wait that longer for the OTA update, well, in this video, I will show you how to manually install a MIUI 11 stable ROM on your Poco F1 or Poco F1 without any data loss via TWRP recovery. And this is a step-by-step guide, so watch the video till to the end without missing any parts. So let's start. The only prerequisite for this video is you need to have an unlocked bootloader. Check the link below. I already made a dedicated video on that. Just gonna go ahead and watch that video and come back here, and you need a PC running a Windows 7 or higher. Apparently you can also use a laptop, which is absolutely fine. Now go ahead and download all the files from the links below and place it on your desktop. You end up downloading 5 files. Not 5 files, the 4 files: a TWRP image file and disable force encryption zip file, platform tools, and MIUI 11 global stable ROM. Now first copy the MIUI 11 stable ROM and disable force encryption zip files to the internal storage of the device. Once it's done, now extract the platform tools using any zip extractor. I will gonna be using a WinZip extractor. So once it's extracted, now move this TWRP image file into the extracted directory of platform tools, where you get to see the ADB and fastbit commands. Now highlight the address bar from the top and type cmd to instantiate the new command prompt from the present working directory where all the files are present. Now if I try to list the files using this command, you can see all files are present. Now switching back to camera view, on your Poco F1, the only thing you need is sufficient battery juice. Also, as you can see, I have some pictures are present in the gallery, as well as some third-party applications are pre-installed. Not pre-installed, I have installed it manually, and it's going to stay intact and won't be erased even after updating to MIUI 11. Now we need to boot the system into fastboot mode. To do so, reboot your phone just like that. While it's rebooting, hold the volume down for a while until you see the green color fastboot logo. Then connect your PC, or then connect your phone to the PC or laptop. Now switching back to PC, here type fastboot devices to see that the fastboot command detects the phone or not. As you can see, it's actually returned with a string of text, and it's a good sign. Now type this command called a fastboot, a flash, a recovery, then type TWRP and press the tab key to autocomplete, and press the return key to flash the TWRP recovery. Once it's done, type fastboot, boot, TWRP, and again press the tab key to autocomplete the process, and then press the return key to boot the system into TWRP recovery mode. Now go ahead and take off the USB cable and switching back to camera view. Alright guys, once you're inside the TWRP recovery mode, just gonna go ahead, click on the install buttons and look for the files which you have just copied, and you can see the MIUI 11 zip file is there, as well as the disabled force encryption zip file is there. Just gonna go ahead and select the MIUI 11 file first and then click on add more zips, and then you can either flash this or not, it's up to you. So if you flash this DFE file, it's gonna be help to keep the TWRP recovery permanently. If you don't flash that thing, so the MIUI 11 system will replace TWRP with the stock recovery. So it's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and select this file because I want the TWRP recovery to be as my permanent recovery. So just going to go ahead and select it and then swipe to confirm flash. So this flashing process may gonna take a little bit of a time, so just have to be patient. So once it's done, I will be right back with you guys. Alright guys, as you can see, it's almost done. So once it's done, you need to reboot back to recovery to make sure everything works fine. Just gonna go ahead and reboot back to recovery just like that. Now you're gonna be, once you're inside back in recovery, so this time you're just gonna go ahead and boot into system, and that's it. Now you have successfully done updating a MIUI 11 from MIUI 10 very easily. So the initial boot may take a few minutes, so we're gonna wait for that. So I will be right back with you guys in a moment. Alright guys, that's it. Let me go ahead and swipe up. As you can see, the MIUI 11 logo. Just gonna click on next and then click on next, update now, and boom, that's it. We have successfully updated to a MIUI 11 without any data loss. So let me show you all the things by going into the, there we go. You can see all of the icons are there, the third-party applications. You can see the Geekbench are present. Let me go to the gallery and you can see the screenshots are also present. Now let me show you the version by going into settings, about phone, and boom, you can see MIUI 11 stable on Poco F1. So if you want to see more about the MIUI 11 running on Poco F1, just gonna go ahead and watch the video from here, or check the link in the description box down below. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. This is your boy KSK Royal. Peace out.